Hey there, Junkie! Today I'm going to show you how to color code report rows to add some pop and focus to those awesome Quickbase reports you've been building. There are three main steps to color coding your Quickbase reports. First, you'll want to choose which report you want to colorize, then identify the field that will trigger the colorization, and last, you'll write the color code formula. For this example, I'm using a sample set of HR data. The first thing I'll want to do is open the report I want to add color coding to. In this case, I want to highlight the rows that contain active employees. The employment status field gives me the information I need to tell me whether the employee is active or has another status. With this information, I can now customize the report. The option to color code rows is located at the very bottom of this screen. Selecting color code rows using a formula will open the formula box for me to use. The formula I'm choosing to use is case. This allows me to set any of the values within the employment status to a specific color. Here, I'm just color coding the active value to yellow. You could also use hexadecimal values if you want to use a specific value or use their name counterpart, such as I have here, yellow. Once you've applied your row colorization, be sure to save your report. Now you can see here all of my active employees rows are highlighted in yellow. If you learned something new, please like this video, and to get your regular Quickbase Junkie fix, subscribe to Quickbase Junkie on YouTube or visit quickbasejunkie.com.